very good year.
What's going on?
We've got him, Uncle Zafir! Dad?
I'm all for family togetherness, but really, children.
Sorry. We thought you were the peanut butter poacher. Yeah, someone's been stealing our private stock, you know. And Uncle Zafir is helping us catch him.
I should have known. This old gag is just like you.
What?
You know, your Uncle Zafir was quite a prankster in his day.
Uncle Zafir?
I dabbled.
Dabble? Dabble? Might I remind you that your jokes almost wiped out a whole year's peanut crop?
What do you mean, Dad? Tell us, Father, tell us.
All right, gather round. It was a time we will never forget. There was one particular week when no one was spared from your Uncle Zafir's unique brand of humor.
I'm...
Needless to say, as the days passed, we were all tiring of Zephir's pranks, but with only 1 week to go before harvesting our biggest peanut crop ever, I had more important matters to deal with.
This year's crop is sure to produce the finest peanut butter nouveau ever.
And you're sure we haven't spread ourselves too thin with such a big crop?
Precisely what we wish to discuss with you, Babar. There is a slight danger.
A danger?
Well, it seems that our royal peanut planters have positioned the expanded patch in perilous proximity to Rataxes' annual Rhino Rampage route.
Oh, is that all?
Is that all? The Rhino Rampage has been known to lay waste to entire regions.
Entire territories trampled. The royal peanut patch could be next.
You both know as well as I that Rataxes rampaging isn't what it used to be. But if it'll make you feel any better, I'll post a guard out here.
May I suggest the elephant squad, sire?
No, this job isn't big enough for them. No job is big enough for them.
Babar! Zephir is at it again!
Look, Zafir, we all like a good joke now and then, but this incessant prank playing has gone too far!
But I'm bored, Babar. Bored. Give us something to do. Please. I'll do anything.
Okay, Zafir, I've got just the job for you.
Oh, no!
Don't even think it.
Presenting our duly appointed Peanut Patch Guard.
Oh, please.
Sire, the very pride of Celesteville is at stake here.
Exactly why I hired Zafir for the job. He's my friend and I trust him. Besides, this way he'll be too busy to pull any more pranks.
Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Oof. Up, 2, 3, 4.
Sire, surely one tiny simian can't stand up against a whole herd of stampeding rhinoceri.
Don't worry. If anything happens, all Zafir has to do is pull this lever.
Pulling the lever, sir.
Oh, don't!
Now, what can I do for you?
Perhaps we should just send the rhinos a stampede invitation and be done with it.
Come on. Rataxes isn't going to rampage, and you know it.
Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4.
Unfortunately, Lady Rataxes had other ideas.
But dear, we can't change the rampage now. Why mess with tradition?
Tradition? Ha! The rampage began as a show of jungle superiority. I propose that we return to those thrilling days of yesteryear and restore the annual Rhino Rampage to what it once was. An impressive show of rhino might. We'll follow the old rampage route. Oh, isn't this exciting, dear? Look out, world! The Rataxes annual Rhino Rampage is back!
Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Come up! I'm awake! Halt! Who goes there? Boy, am I bored. Where's the excitement? Where's the glory? Where's the... Now that would liven things up a bit. No, Zafir, you've got a job to do. You have to protect the peanut patch. I can't stand it! Sorry, Babar. It was a matter of survival.
My tusks!
Oh, no! Hurry!
Zafir, are you okay? Zafir, did the rhinos do this to you?
No, the solitude did. I was lonely.
Lonely?
Hey! Say, what's your hurry? Why don't you stick around and have lunch? Or we could play a game of cards. Old maid? Go fish? 52 pickup?
Don't touch the alarm!
Okay, okay. Well, unless, of course, I really need you.
Basil, this is perfect. Lady Rataxes will never find us out here. I, Rataxes, now declare the annual Rhino Rampage to begin! So, what's next on the itinerary, Basil?
Oh, trouble?
Trouble? I don't get it.
You will.
Rataxes! You call this a rampage?
My dear, you don't understand. This is the
The mental preparation stage, m'lady,
very necessary.
in which we fire ourselves up thinking destructive thoughts.
Well, now that you're all fired up, let's get this show on the road! Let's rampage!
These are the sales records of last year's peanut butter nouveau, sire.
Thanks, Pompadour. Put them with the rest. Well?
Another false alarm, I'm afraid. That's the 5th so far. Oh!
Correction. 6th.
This can't go on, Babar. Something must be done about Zephir. He's putting the Royal Peanut Patch at risk.
That prankster must be taught a good lesson.
Exactly what I had in mind, gentlemen. Just keep ignoring that alarm.
I had decided it was time to give Zafir a taste of his own medicine.
You? How, Dad?
You'll see.
Well? How do I look?
Like an elephant in a rhino costume. Zephyr's in for it now.
After this, he'll think twice before pulling another false alarm.
Well, I just hope nothing goes wrong.
What could possibly go wrong?
Your ladyship, according to my calculations, we're headed directly for King Babar's Royal Peanut Patch.
So?
So that would be a most unneighborly thing to do.
Basil's right, my dear. Trampling Babar's peanut patch would be wrong. We'll have to call it quits.
Since when do you care about Babar?
It's not him. It's all those innocent peanuts.
They're so young.
Oh, please! Rampage!
Just my luck. Not a rhino in sight. Rampage! Ah! The rhinos are attacking! The rhinos are really here!
I say, Pompadour, isn't that the Peanut Patch alarm again?
I do believe it is, Cornelius.
Trade section?
Yes, thank you.
Nobody's coming! It's me against the whole Rhino Rampage! Oh, how do I get into these messes? Ranks! That's how! Help!
Glad to see you finally got the message, Zafir.
Huh?
It's me.
You animal! You ate my friend! Hey, what gives? Is this some kind of gag or what?
We're even, Zafir.
A prank for a prankster. I'm cured. Hey, but what if the rhinos really do rampage?
Nah, they haven't done any real rampaging in ages. Believe it, Zafir. No one's going to come.
Then we're doomed.
Not yet, we're not. Come on. You run back to the palace and get help. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
The rhinos were headed straight for the peanut patch like an unstoppable avalanche. If help didn't come soon, the peanuts were doomed. So with no time to lose, I took it upon myself to reroute the rhinos.
Rampage! Ah! The peanuts are being creamed! Ah! Oh no!
Yes, of course there is.
Just like all the others.
This is for real. Babar is out there alone.
In a rhino costume.
Don't you understand? Babar needs our help.
Boy, he sure sounded convincing.
The mark of a true prankster.
Babar! Babar! Yikes! Ooh.
Is help coming, Zafir?
No! They still think I'm joking.
Then it's up to us.
But there's still so many of them.
Maybe if I can turn Rataxes, the others will follow. Oh, you're rhinos. Why don't you take a break, sir? We can't expect you to do all the rampaging now, can we?
Good idea, Basil.
Here you are, sir. Just sit right here. That's it, sir. Just relax.
That feels good. What's going on?
There goes Rataxes.
Halt! Take note, Basil. Nobody rampages like my Rataxes. Follow your leader, rhinos! Rampage!
I suppose you're right, children. Zephir should have learned his lesson by now. Well, Babar has... My tusks! The royal peanut patch is ruined!
No more peanut butter nouveau! And all because of the palace prankster.
No, Pompadour. It was my fault. This was the wrong way to teach Zafir a lesson.
Hey, wait! Stand still! Yikes! Yeah! Babar, look! You did it, Babar. You saved a plant.
But what a plant it turned out to be. It was healthy and strong, and with all the extra attention that plant got, it yielded a whole jar of peanut butter. And that was the most delicious jar of peanut butter nouveau we have ever tasted. Mm-hmm.
It must have been good.
Huh? Oh, yes, it...
The peanut butter poacher. Hide! Uncle Arthur?
I was just doing Zafir a favor. He put me up to this. Ask him.
Oops. What can I say? I love the stuff.